Hey everybody, we're going to be talking today about identifying constant of proportionality in tables. Now, something that's new for us is this here. This is the equation that helps us go from your x value to your y value. If you'll notice here, y, which is right here, equals k. Now, k is your constant. So, right here I'm just going to put k equals constant. And constant, again, is what you multiply these values by to get these. So it's always the same number. If you take a look at your equation here, kx, that means multiplying your constant times your x value. So every single time we're going to take our constant, multiply by this, and it's going to equal y. And here's why. So this times your constant will equal this. Same thing here, same thing here. Now it says here that your constant is 10 kilograms. So if I took 3 times 10, that would be 30. 8 times 10, 80. 10 times 10, 100. 6 times 10, 60. 7 times 10, 70. So every single time, your constant goes in the equation here. Y, the answer you got here, equals, so you get it from taking your constant of 10 times your x. Now when a number or a letter and a letter, these are called variables, these are right next to one another, that means multiplication. How did we get 10? Well, in each one of these we take a y divided by x, and that gets us our constant. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 80 divided by 8 is 10, and so on. So I'm going to do the first one as the example here. For every can of paint, you could paint how many birdhouses? Well, we're going to use this. We're going to take a y divided by x, and we're going to get our constant. So 15 is a y, see y, 15, divided by x, 5. And our constant would be 3. I'm going to double check that with a different one. Y is 27, divided by x is 9. That also equals 3. So all of these are going to equal 3. So for every can of paint, you could paint 3 birdhouses. How does that go into our equation? Well, remember, up here, y equals what our constant is times x. So all we need to do, y equals our constant x. All we have to do is put this value in there, right here. This and this in your equation do not change. So finish up the rest of these, and we're going to talk more about this on Tuesday.